How y'all doing? My name's Chris Stoy with Hutchison & Stoy PLLC in Fort Worth, Texas. Today I want to talk to you about personal injury protection. Personal injury protection, commonly referred to as PIP, is optional insurance you can purchase to cover your injury-related damages like medical bills and lost wages. PIP is no-fault insurance, meaning that it will cover your injury-related damages regardless of who is at fault for the wreck, including yourself. Unlike MedPay, the liability insurer for the at-fault party doesn't get a credit for what you collect in PIP. This basically means you get to collect twice for the same damages. How so? Well, say you have $2,500 in medical bills from a rear-end collision. The liability insurer for the at-fault party will have to compensate you $2,500, and your PIP insurer will have to reimburse you $2,500. Thus, you get to double dip. I use the $2,500 figure because that is typically the amount of PIP most people have. But that being said, we've seen PIP coverage in the amounts of $5,000, $10,000, and sometimes on rare occasions even up to $100,000. When it comes to PIP, one of the most common questions I'm asked is, Chris, will filing a PIP claim increase my premiums? The answer is, I'm not sure. Technically, since PIP is no-fault insurance, your rates are not supposed to increase, but as I've said before, insurance companies are evil, so it would not surprise me if your rates went up. Now that being said, if I were in a wreck and I had PIP, which I do, I would absolutely file for it. In all likelihood, the amount of money you're going to collect in PIP coverage will be far greater than the increase in your insurance premiums, if any. The whole, my rates are going to go up if I file a claim, is really just, insurance propaganda intended to discourage people like you from collecting money that they deserve. You've paid for PIP for how many years, and you're not going to file a claim now that you're involved in a situation where you're entitled to take it? That doesn't make sense. File the PIP claim. A couple more things to keep in mind about PIP. Your passengers are covered by your PIP policy, and like UIM and UM insurance, you may have PIP coverage even if you didn't purchase it. If the insurance agent who sold you the liability policy didn't have you sign a form rejecting PIP, then there's a good possibility you have PIP coverage. In this scenario, your PIP limit is most likely $2,500. If you need help with your PIP claim, give us a shout. In most cases, we don't even take a fee on the PIP we collect. Usually, the only time we do is if we have to file suit against your PIP insurer, which rarely happens. If you want help, give us a shout at the office, 817-820-0100, or you can reach us online at warriorsforjustice.com. Thanks.